Hello, I'm Ted Jones with MarineMax and Stuart. We're here aboard this brand new 190 Boston Whaler Montauk. This boat is really cool, I'll tell you. Tons of room in this boat for its size. Powered by a 150 Mercury 4-stroke. Now as we look towards the aft, you can see on the one side there's a seat cushion and backrest. On the other side there isn't one there. I did that purposely just so you can see. This has the removable jump seat option. So you can have the seats in if you're hanging out at the sandbar, cruising around with family and friends, or have them out for a day of fishing. Console layout is awesome. Raymarine GPS fish finder, VHF, great sound and stereo. Very comfortable to get to. Boat is really laid out nice. Does have the teak package, and although it's only a little bit of teak, it gives it that classic look. Two big compartments in the front that can be used for storage or fish boxes. They do drain overboard. This boat does have the optional trolling motor panel, so if you were to add a trolling motor, it'd be very easy to do. It also has the remote for the stereo up towards the bow, so if you are sitting in the front, it's easy to access. One nice feature with this boat as well, does have a Yeti cooler seat here on the front of the console that is removable. Powder coated T-top, absolutely beautiful, beautiful boat. You can see in the pictures when you look through them, the blue hull color is fantastic. All right, for more information or to get out and ride on this boat, please give me a call. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.